The TV reports heat and water leaks. I am Mana, a yellow cat with green smart glasses. I'll start at home with small actions anyone can copy. Little wins protect taps and rivers when days turn hot. Sun hits my balcony hard. Pots look thirsty and topsoil feels powdery, meaning fast evaporation and stressed roots. I'll protect moisture before watering, so each sip reaches plants instead of vanishing into hot afternoon air. Mulch first, a 5-centimeter ring around each stem with a small breathing gap. Then I slide pots into gentler afternoon shade with cloth or an umbrella. Shade plus mulch slows evaporation and keeps soil cooler while roots drink calmly. I park the watering can by the door and wait. Cooler dawn wastes less through evaporation and wind. Morning water travels deeper to roots. Planting tonight avoids bigger waste tomorrow, and plants repay me with steadier leaves. The drum looks half full, so I fetch more clothes. 1 full cycle saves water versus 2 small washes. I choose cold to save energy and protect colors because most everyday laundry cleans well at lower temperatures. To check a silent toilet leak, I pour strong coffee into the tank, not the bowl, then wait 15 minutes without flushing. Brown tint in the bowl confirms a leak and tells me the seal needs replacement. I close the valve and drain the tank. The old flapper lifts away and the valve seat gets cleaned. A matching flapper clips on with a little chain slack so it seals flat. Each flush should now sip. At the sink, the stream looks heavy for hand washing. I twist on a tap aerator by hand. Air mixes with water for comfortable feel using less flow. A small wrench turn also stops a drip at the joint. Hallway time. I find the stop valve, label it, and practice turning it carefully. Everyone at home should know this spot. Shutting water quickly turns a small trouble into a simple fix instead of a messy surprise. Outside, a thin trickle runs along the curb. I note the nearest door number, take a clear photo, and call the hotline with a precise location. Fast reports help crews arrive sooner and prevent bigger losses or pavement damage. Shower time uses a simple timer. I play 2 songs, one for washing, one for rinsing. About 5 minutes pass, water turns off, and a towel finish feels fresh. Short showers save many liters across a normal week. I add the leak hotline to my phone and place a small reminder on the fridge. Clear steps help when surprises happen. A calm checklist turns stress into action and protects neighbors, streets, and time when leaks appear. Dawn returns and the air feels quiet. I water slowly at the roots until a small puddle forms, then pause so soil can drink. Mulch holds moisture like a blanket. Plants stand taller. What more can I do today?